Yeah, hi all. Good evening. Welcome to Java Bootcamp by Code Sprint for day 4, which is the continuation of yesterday's OOPS concepts. Okay. Yeah, let's wait for a few minutes and then we'll get started. Am I audible? Please mention in the chat. Okay. Yeah, hi Bhargavi. Good evening. Hi Arti. Good evening. Yeah, please share the URL with your friends. Okay. Let them join fastly. We have just 9 viewers now. Daily by daily, strength is decreasing. Don't know why. Isn't our class are interesting? Please mention in the chat. I hope those are interesting. Yeah, let's wait for a few more, 2 more minutes, and then we'll get started with our OOPS concepts today, which are important. We'll be having 4 pillars of OOPS extension for our class and objects. Those are like encapsulation, inheritance, abstraction, and polymorphism. Okay, we'll go through those topics like introduction and few examples for them. So it would be somewhat interesting. Yeah, we'll get started then. So let me bring our Eclipse. Okay. So yesterday pasted here. What we'll do is we'll create new class. Okay. New class. Let it be a main class. I'll be having one public static void main method. Okay. So yeah. So let me tell you a few words about our OOPS concepts like classes. We have completed classes. Okay, and objects, how we create them. Now we will be going to discuss about encapsulation. Okay, encapsulation and inheritance. Okay, inheritance and abstraction and polymorphism. Okay, we'll be going to discuss about these four topics like encapsulation, inheritance, abstraction and polymorphism. So yeah, we will be going to discuss about these things. Initially what we'll do is we'll discuss about some keywords. Okay, so here you see this is public, right? Okay, there is one keyword like public. Okay, what this public mean? Public is nothing but either particular method, okay, or class can be visible outside the class scope. Okay, that means these main method can be applicable, can be visible by outside classes such as like this hello world. Okay, and when it comes to the main class, so the main class public means these main class can be accessed from any other classes. Okay, so this is what it mean by uh, uh, public keyword. Okay, so these are known as like access modifiers. What it is? Access modifiers. And there will be another keyword which is like private. Okay, we'll be learning about these two keywords as of now. So private is nothing but either method or variable or class cannot be accessible outside the class. Okay, that means if you declare any variable here or if you write any method here inside this particular main class, it shouldn't be accessible by other classes if you consider hello world here. Okay, if I wanted to access the like consider if I wrote some integer age here and I have declared like 12, so this can't be accessible from hello world. Okay, so because if I write private here, we can't be accessible. Okay, this is all about the private keyword, so keep this in mind. Okay, so then we'll get started with our encapsulation. Okay, encapsulation is nothing but, okay, encapsulation is nothing but binding data and behavior. Okay, behavior together. Okay, what we'll do is we will encapsulate the data and the behavior of them inside one particular class only. Okay, so what I will do is I will remove this public here. Okay, what I will do is I will create one class, like consider it as animal. Okay, as for the like yesterday's one. So this is the main class, right? Okay, this is main class. So I have one class like named as animal. So what I will do is I will give some name to this animal. Okay, let us consider string name and let us give it some age. Okay, yeah. So what I will do is I will make this name, okay, this name and age as private. That means let me say why I am making private. Okay, so when I wanted to use this name and object in our other class, this is other class, right? This is other class and animal is also another class. So if I want to use this name and age, okay, in this particular class, we can't able to do that. So let me create one object. We can access our variables and methods by using dot operator, right? So using that we can access this. So let's check while after creating the object. So let us consider animal dog equals to new animal. Okay, I wanted to create this, and here what I want to do is I want to access this name. Okay, see here what it is saying. See here, change visibility of name to package, or either create getter and setter for name. That means you are not able to access this name outside this class, isn't it? So let's do this. Let's remove this private keyword. Okay, so what it will happen, see. Okay, okay, what we'll do is okay, just private. Maybe here we have animal, right? So let's make these like animal one. Okay, let's make it animal one, one. Okay, and make it as public, and make it as public here as well. mm, yeah, what can we do is yeah, see here what it is saying. So it is removed. So now see, now we are not able to access name here. If we remove this, so what it is saying, variable declarators to complete local variable declaration. Yeah, okay, no issues, because we are not assigning some value, right? So we'll assign some like name, and here like age, age as like 7. Okay, so if I wanted to create this, and dog dot age, what I will do is like I will print here. See, so we are not able to access this from here. Okay, so what is the thing is, how can we access here? So to access this, what we have to do is mm, we have to write some getters and setters. Before that what can we do is we can initialize these values, like rather than here we can do something like this, right? We can do something like this. I said earlier, like we'll give some name here, like dog name, and we can give some age here. And what it will say is Hebrew creates one constructor. Okay, what I will do, I will create one constructor here. Okay, so I have created constructor here. So what I will do is this dot, okay, this dot name equals to name, and this dot age equals to age. I said right earlier what is this dot name and name. Yeah, now what is the cases? So what it is saying now, uh, if I wanted to access dog, so dog, it is in same package, right? So it is making some these things. What I will do is I will make another class here. Okay, what I will do is I will make another class like animal one. What I will do is I will write all these things here. Okay, yeah, okay, now so this is the constructor. So if we want to give, if I wanted to give some name or assign some name from here, so what we can do is dog dot set name. So I said right earlier we can have some getters and setters for these things, so that can be like, so we can go here source, and generate getters and setters. Okay, I will select all. So I will generate here. So what this will do? So we are not able to access animal variables there, right? So what we can do is we can, okay, we can, so let us do like, we won't give this here and we will remove this one here. Okay, fine. Yeah, now what we'll do is we will set the name from here. We are accessing this private, what it is, it's a private variable, and this is a private variable. We are accessing these private variables with the help of getters. Okay, this is known as getters. That means we will give like this: get name and set name. Setter means nothing but settings the value. Get name is nothing but the getting the value. That means we are retrieving the value. So dog dot set name. Okay, what I will set it like dog name. Okay, and next thing is dog dot get name. Oh, sorry, uh, set age. So I will set it as 7. Now if I wanted to print it, what I can do, system dot out dot println dog. If I print like this, what will happen, we'll see. Okay, so why it is printing like this? Because there will be another string method. So what will happen when we print directly the object? Okay, there will be super, like super class of all these things, right? There will be super object class. Okay, what it will happen is, if we have two string method here, so we have no two string method right here. So what we have to do is we have to generate two string method here. Okay, what we have to do, we have to generate the two string method. So using this, what will happen is, when we wanted to try to print the object, this two thing method will be called and it will be printed. See, earlier we are coming like this, right? Code, it is nothing but package name, it is nothing but the class name, and this is the address where it is stored. Okay, so now if you created the two string method here, that means override it. And if you wanted to print this, check this now. Okay, see how it is printed. It is the class name and the name and the age. So this is the way how encapsulation work. That means we are accessing the other class variables from the other class using getters and setters. This is nothing but encapsulation. Okay, I hope it is clear till now. Is it clear now? Yeah, please mention in comments. Yeah, okay, thanks Bhargavi. So yeah, I hope you understood this one. So what we'll do is, we'll go to the inheritance concepts. Okay, inheritance. So we'll discuss about the inheritance. So what is inheritance? Inheritance is nothing but acquiring the properties so of one class to the other. Okay, what is meant by inheritance? Inheritance is nothing but acquiring the properties of one class to the other. So what I will do is, check here, we have name and age right here. So what I will do is, uh, I will remove this private keyword here and private keyword here as well. Okay, So what I will do, I will give some name here like dog. Okay, so there will be two classes. Okay, let us consider this as the super class. Super class nothing but parent class, and let us consider this class, which is the main one, as the child class. What I want to do is, I want to get this particular name field into the child class. Okay, I wanted to get this name field into the child class. How we can do? We can do by extending it. Okay, animal 1. What I'm doing, I'm extending main class, which is the child class, with the animal class. Okay, so just consider it as animal. Okay, I have created because we have another animal. So yeah, so this is the parent class and this is the child class. So what it means is, if you have any variables here, this can be accessed from main class. Okay, there is no requirement of we can okay, what I will do is, if I wanted to create an object for a main class, so what I will do, earlier in encapsulation, what I did, I created object for animal. Okay, now what I want to do is, I want to create object for child class. Main equals to new main. Okay, okay, so what I will do is, so now, yeah, give me 2 minutes. What I will do is, I will access the, okay, I will access the particular name. Okay, main dot name. Okay, check here. What I am doing, I haven't declared any variable in main class. Are you able to see? But I am able to access it because we have name in our parent class. So I am able to access name. So when I wanted to print it here, it will give you dog. Are you able to see? You are able to check dog here. So earlier in encapsulation, what I did, I have created object for another one. Okay, now what I'm doing, I'm extending the main class. So animal is the parent class for this. So if there is any method, let me remove this all getters and setters. What I want to do is, so let us consider there is void method which is eating. Okay, there is void method eating, sys out uh, eating. Okay, eating. Now, oh sorry, semicolon. So now here I'm creating object for main. Okay, I'm creating object for main, but I'm using the method of this one. Okay, what I will do is, check this. So what I will do is, like main dot, okay, what I will do is, I will use this method which is present in the super class. Okay, eating. Okay, let's see what it will print. Oh, okay, it's already printing, right? So what I will do is, I will just call it. Okay, this method. So what it will do, it will print eating, because this is the child class and this is the super class. The all methods and variables which are in the super class can be accessible from child class. This is nothing but inheritance. Okay, there are different types of inheritance here. Okay, there will be single inheritance, which I am talking now. Okay, single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, Okay, and hierarchical inheritance, that is nothing but if I call if I call if I call like this, I have again animal 1, and it is again extending some other animal 2. Okay, this is nothing but multi-level inheritance. Main class is extending animal class. Now animal class is extending animal 2. If I like this right now, animal, okay, now animal 2, okay, now animal 1, okay, and then main. This is nothing but multi-level inheritance. Okay, again there will be hierarchical inheritance. Okay, hierarchical is nothing but this main method is inheriting animal, and another animal method is let's consider if you have another class like submain like this. Okay, submain, and again it is extending animal. So this is nothing but hierarchical. That means animal 1, okay, is extending by, let me write control Z. Okay, let me explain here in paint. Okay, animal 1, okay, let us consider, oh sorry, this is not like that, control Z, Z, Z. Okay, yeah, let me consider this. Hmm. Let us consider this is the submenu. Okay, submain, and this is like main. Okay, this is the animal 1. Okay, animal 1. Okay, now it is extending this one, it is also extending this one. This is called as hierarchical. Okay, yeah, these are nothing but inheritance and inheritance types. I hope you understand. So only simple way is that if you have any class which is like extending by its child class, then all these properties will be acquired to this main or this class, child class. Okay, this is the thing about like inheritance. Yeah, Chandrasekhar, sorry, I missed this one. Is it clear now? Yeah, good evening, Vaishnavi. I hope you understood like inheritance. What is inheritance? In simple way, like we are like families, right? Our parents' money will come to us, or our parents' properties will come to us. Same in that case only. Like here in Java, we have inheritance where the properties and the methods of parent class will be coming to child class. By using extends keyword, we will be calling the parent class. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So no one has doubts. So what we'll do is we'll check about the polymorphism. Okay, polymorphism. Polymorphism is nothing but poly means many, Okay, morphs means forms. Like if you have a particular method in many forms, then it is known as polymorphism. So let us consider one program here. You will get to know. Okay, so let us consider this one. Okay, let us consider there is one class like shape or like shape can give something like mhm, what can we give, or length, something like that, just for example purpose. Okay, just length. Okay, I have this one, length L1 equals to new length. We created something, and now let us write some methods here. Okay, let us write some methods here, which is void calculate. Okay, and let us write something like void calculate, and let's change something here, int value. Okay, and another one, let's have another calculate method. Okay, but what I'm doing, check that I'm keeping the same name. Okay, I'm keeping the same name, but I'm using the parameters different, int value 1 comma int value 2. So here this is nothing but one method, one calculate method is overloading. Okay, this calculate method is overloading. That means we are using one calculate method in many forms. This is nothing but one type of polymorphism, which is known as method overloading. Okay, or it is known as method overloading. That means I am overloading this calculate method with this one, and this calculate method with this one. That means I am changing just parameters in it. So what I will do is L1 dot calculate and L1 dot calculate. I will give some value here 1. Let us consider L1 dot calculate, and what I will give, I will give 3 5. Okay, so I'm using same calculate method to do some operations, but what I'm doing, I'm changing something. System dot out dot println in calculate with no variables or no parameters. Now then, next what I will do is control copy with one param. Okay, one parameter. Now in calculate with two params. Now what it will happen is I'm overloading. See, I'm first calling low calculate, and second I'm calling calculate, and third calling calculate. But what it is doing, it is overloading. First it will check L1 dot calculate, means what it will check is if L1 or like a length class having any calculate method. Okay, it will check here. Yeah, it will print this one. Then it will come to here. Okay, we have calculate method, but is there anything which is accepting one parameter? Yeah, there is one method. Okay, then overload it. Okay, next, is there any calculate method with two parameters? It will check. Yeah, there are with two parameters. Then it will execute these two. So if we run this, what it will print is in calculate with no params, in calculate with one param, in calculate with two params. Okay, this is nothing but method overloading, which is the one of the form of polymorphism. Okay, one of the form of polymorphism. There will be another form, which is method overriding. Okay, this is method overriding. I will tell you what is method overriding. So let us consider this main class is extending this one, length class. Okay, let us consider main class is extending length class. And okay, so consider there is one method known as calculate. Okay, sys out, I mean length calculate. Okay, so okay, length have this calculate method. Yeah, what I will do, I will print it. Let us consider as of now L1 dot calculate. What I will do, I will print it. Okay, because we are extending it. So if there is one method in length, it will be acquired by this child main. So it is printing here. Yeah, it's fine. If if this main class also have one method named, okay, one method named calculate. Okay, one method named calculate, and it has the same name, main calculate. What we can do is we can override this calculate method on behalf of this. Okay, for that what we can do is we have to create object for this. M is equals to new main. What we can do, we can create m dot calculate. What it will do is just expect the output, what it will come. Okay, let's see what it will be printing. First L1 dot calculate is printing this calculate method, and this main is printing this calculate method. Okay, why it is happening? Because this calculate method is overriding this calculate method. Okay, even though these are two with same method names, so why it is happening is this is known as the one of the polymorphism form, which is method overriding. Okay, I hope it's fine, like you understood about method overloading and overriding. Yeah, Chandrasekhar, Python and Java is similar in terms of functionality. Okay, if you consider C++, Python and Java, functionalities are same, but but the difference will be come in the syntax. That's it. The encapsulation, polymorphism, any other these concepts will be same in Python, but execution or writing the syntax is different. Okay, so data encapsulation, I said right earlier, data encapsulation is nothing but we are hiding the data, like encapsulating. We are keeping one data in the private variables, and we are exposing it through getters and setters. I said right. Yeah, clear, right? Please mention in the comment. We'll go to the next concept, like abstraction. It's like introduction. Okay, in this, like in 1 hour we can't cover all like convocates or anything, but you will get some idea what is encapsulation, what is polymorphism, and what is like inheritance. Okay, you can watch this live and always, like you will get some idea rather than studying somewhere like intro. We can get some idea here. Hello, are you fine? Please mention in the comments. Yeah, then Chandrasekhar, yeah, thank you. It's clear, right, for now? We'll go to next topic then. Yeah, I hope you have no doubts. So we'll go to quickly like about abstraction. Okay, it is also linked with some inheritance concepts. Okay, so what is abstraction? Will let this happen? Yeah, what we'll do is we'll clear this. Okay, we'll clear this and we'll clear this. So let's discuss about the abstraction. Abstraction is nothing but exposing functionalities and hiding internal details. Okay, what is abstraction? Exposing the functionalities and hiding internal details. It is nothing but, if you see, if you drive a car or if you drive a bike, you will only drive the car or bike, but you won't do an interest in how this how it is working. Okay, so the same idea will be applicable here. So let us consider, so before that, this how we can create abstract classes and abstract methods. Okay, this abstraction can be achieved. Okay, abstraction can be achieved by abstract classes and abstract methods. Okay, abstract classes and abstract methods. Okay, so here what we'll do is, if we write any method, like consider void eating. Okay, void calculate only. Okay, we'll write calculate. Okay, so if you write any method with inserting abstract keyword in abstract keyword, then it is known as abstract method. So abstract method won't having the body. Okay, please keep in mind that abstract methods won't have body. It will be having just declaration. What is having? Just a declaration. And if you have any abstract method in the particular class, here consider the length class, it has one abstract method, right? So the class should be also an abstract then. Okay, okay, abstract, sorry, abstract. See, now errors are gone. If you remove this, yeah, here see what it is saying: abstract method calculating type length can only be defined by an abstract class. See here, the type length must be an abstract class to define abstract method. So we have to keep abstract keyword here. So what it will do is, see what we will do if you only write the declaration, how we can give the functionality for it. So it can be given in the child class. Okay, it can be given in the child class. What I am doing, I am extending the length class. Okay, we can give functionality here: void calculate, void calculate. Okay, let's print out calculating. Okay, see, errors are gone. Why? Because this length method is length class is extended by the main class. So if there are any abstract classes here, abstract methods here, we will be declaring only, like we are only declaring, we are not giving any functionality. See here, we are declaring and we are giving some functionality like calculating. There will be some code here and something will be happen here. So how we can achieve this abstract methods into here by using the extend keywords and inheritance. So what if I wanted to use the length L1 equals to new length, okay, and if L1 dot calculate, what will happen here? See here what it will say: cannot instantiate the type length. Why? Because it's an abstract one, so we were not able to instantiate the abstract classes. Okay, we can only instantiate the main, this one. Okay, you can do by like this. If I wanted to run this, what we will get, you will check. See here, we can use this length as the before one, so we can give here like main. If I wanted to give here, it's fine. Okay, so this is the thing, we are creating an object for length by using the main. Okay, this is nothing but abstract, like abstraction. That means we are not giving exposing this one, we are only exposing through the child classes. Okay, yeah, let me add here the attendance link of today's. Okay, please fill the attendance form. Okay, don't forget to do that. If you fill that, you will get like certificate at the end. Okay, so I hope you understood, right, what is abstraction. So this is known as abstract methods. So sir, you are saying like this, if I wanted to write any some methods which are not abstract, can we write? Yes, we can write. Dancing, I will write some method like this. You can write. See, is there any error coming here? Check. You are not getting any error, right? Dancing. Okay. So how can we write here? Length, length, and you can call dancing. But you are not able to do because we have to give main here. So it is abstract, right? So we cannot instantiate. See here, you are getting dancing. So if you wanted to create any method, like you wanted to call any method inside the abstract class, that you can be doing by writing the child class and right side, like creating the constructor for the child class. Okay, this is one of the limitation. Okay, I hope you understood here. If you have any doubts regarding these four concepts, please mention in the chat. Okay, it's clear, right? If you do any some like research about these things, then you will get like these doubts, how these are working and all those things. Okay, these are like introduction about the four pillars of our hoops. These will be mostly used in our Java backend development or Java applications. Okay, so you should have like basic understanding about these hoops concepts, then you are good to go for interviews or anything. Okay, if it's clear, then we can wrap up the class. Okay, and we'll go to like collection framework tomorrow. Okay, and we'll practice some hands-on, and before that let's have some quizzes on oops. You can check the oops, like oops, different types of questions and all those things. Okay, you can try that. If you have any doubts, just ping in the Instagram and all those things. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe the code sprint. Okay, yeah, if you're clear, like, we can wrap up the class. Okay, yeah, that's all for today. I hope you learned something new today. Okay, please mention in the comment section, then we'll close the session then. Please don't forget to fill the attendance sheet. Okay, yeah, okay then. Thanks for attending the session. Okay, please mention if you have any doubts. Okay, I'm ending the session. Yeah, Piyush, please mention if you have any doubts. Okay, I will let you clarify. Hello, am I audible? I'll be checking the chat. If you have any questions, please ping here. Right, we'll check them. Hello, am I audible? Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you for attending. I hope you have no doubts. Like, no one are responding in the chat. Yeah, thank you for your time. Okay, I hope it's valued your time in spending here. Yeah, thank you.